If you want to write a thesis or dissertation in the business field, you need to know and read some of the best books on business research methods. These books are used by business students of the most prestigious universities in the world, like London Business School, Harvard University, Stanford University, University of Pennsylvania, MIT, University of Oxford, University of California, Berkeley, and others. So, what are some of these books? Well, first we have the book Business Research Methods, 12th edition by Cooper and Schindler. The book is made up of 4 parts and 20 chapters. The part 1 deals with the introduction to business research. Here, we can read about the research in business, ethics in business research, thinking like a researcher, the research process, an overview, and clarifying the research question through secondary data and exploration. The part 2 deals with the design of business research. Here, we can read about the research design and overview, qualitative research, observation studies, experiments, and surveys. The part 3 deals with the sources and collection of data. In this part, we can learn about the measurement scales, questionnaires and instruments, and sampling too. And finally, the part 4 deals with the analysis and presentation of data. Here, we can learn about the data preparation and description, exploring, displaying, and examining data, hypothesis testing, measures of association, presenting insights and findings, written reports, and presenting insights and findings, oral presentations. A second book is Business Research Methods, 9th edition by Sigmund, Babin, Carr, and Griffin. The book is made up of 7 parts and 25 chapters. In the part 1, we can read about the role of business research, information systems and knowledge management, theory building, the business research process, an overview, and human side of business research, organizational and ethical issues. The part 2 deals with the beginning stages of the research process. Here, we can learn about the problem definition, the foundation of business research, qualitative research tools, and secondary data research in a digital age. The part 3 deals with the research methods for collecting primary data. Here, we can read about the survey research and overview, survey research communicating with the respondents, observation methods, and experimental research. The part 4 deals with the measurement concepts. Here, we can learn about the measurement and scaling concepts, attitude measurement, and questionnaire design. The part 5 deals with the sampling and fieldwork. The part 6 deals with the data analysis and presentation. Here, we can learn about the descriptive statistics, univariate statistical analysis, bivariate statistical analysis, and multivariate statistical analysis. Finally, the part 7 deals with the comprehensive cases with computerized databases. A third book is Business Research Methods, 4th edition by Bryman and Bell. The book is made up of 4 parts and 29 chapters. The part 1 deals with the research process. The part 2 deals with the quantitative research. Here we can read about the nature of quantitative research, sampling, structured interviewing, self-completion questionnaires, asking questions, structured observation, content analysis, secondary analysis, and official statistics, quantitative data analysis, and using SPSS for Windows. The part 3 deals with a qualitative research. Here we can read about the nature of qualitative research, sampling in qualitative research, ethnography and participant observation, interviewing in qualitative research, focus groups, language in qualitative research, documents as sources of data, qualitative data analysis, and computer-assisted qualitative data analysis using MVivo. And finally, the part 4 deals with a mixed methods research and other considerations. Our fourth book is Research Methods for Business Students, 7th edition, by Sanders, Lewis, and Thornell. The book is made up of 14 chapters. Here, we can learn about a business and management research, formulating and clarifying the research topic, reviewing the literature, understanding research philosophy and approaches to theory development, formulating the research design, negotiating access and research ethics, selecting samples, using secondary data, collecting primary data, analyzing quantitative data, analyzing qualitative data, and finally writing and presenting your project report. A fifth book is Research Methods for Business, a Skill-Building Approach, 7th edition, by Sekarin and Puji. The book is made up of 17 chapters. Here we can read about a scientific approach and alternative approaches to investigation, defining and refining the problem, the critical literature review, theoretical framework, elements of research design, interviews, data collection methods, administering questionnaires, experimental designs, measurement, sampling, quantitative data analysis, qualitative data analysis, and finally the research report. A sixth book is Business Research Methods on Applied Orientation by Esrihesh, Mohapatra, and Asnuri. The book is made up of 5 parts and 12 chapters. The part 1 deals with the overview of business research. The part 2 deals with the research design. The part 3 deals with the sources and methods of data collection, qualitative and quantitative data. The part 4 deals with the multivariate data analysis using IBM SPSS 20. And finally, the part 5 deals with the data presentation. If you want to know more about business research, visit us and follow us on Facebook and YouTube.